Congrats!
Yeah.
Congratulations. So, papakita namin sa inyo mamaya. Pag nandun,
YouTube.
pag kanina hindi ko na videohan eh, sayang. Hi guys! Welcome back! Say hi guys! Andito kami ngayon sa Ford dealer. Kasi, ang daddy niya bumili ng bagong truck. Brand new siya na Ford Raptor. Tapos, ang ginawa namin is itinrade din namin siya dun sa luma namin, sa Chevy namin. So, ayun, meron naman, nagbigay naman sila ng good deal, kaya nakipag-deal na rin si Travis ngayong araw din. Tapos, ayun, nagustuhan din naman ni Travis. Dinrive kasi din namin. Kasi nung nakaraan pa kami pumunta dito guys, siguro last 2 weeks pumunta kami dito. Tapos, wala yung isa, yung tinry namin, hindi siya magandang kulay, pero yung kulay na nabili niya, yung gustong-gusto niya rin na kulay. So, ayun, okay na yung ano na, nag-deal na sila ngayong araw, ayun. Kanina pa kami dito alas 11. Congrats!
Yeah.
Congratulations. So, papakita namin sa inyo mamaya. Pag nandun,
YouTube.
pag kanina hindi ko na videohan eh, sayang. Nandun siya sa labas, nilabas na nila kasi nandito siya kanina sa may showroom. Tapos, kung mabivideohan ko sa labas, titignan. Kaso parang nilalagyan nila ng ano eh. Nililinis ata. Ewan ko kung anong ginagawa. Pero malinis siya kasi brand new eh. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa nila. What are they doing with the truck?
They're putting it through cleaning, getting it
Cleaning.
ready to go, filling it up.
Oh, so when are we gonna get it?
Today.
Oh, today too?
Yeah, we're driving both the trucks home.
How? Do you want me to drive it?
You're gonna drive one of them.
The Chevy?
Yeah.
So, nabenta na namin yung Chevy. And then, dadali namin yung bagong truck. Bagong truck, Ellie. Yeah. Siguro mga 3 hours kami dito nag-antay, guys. Kasi kailangan niya pang tawagan yung mama at papa niya, i-ask yung opinion nila, ganun. Kasi hindi murang purchase, 'di ba? Medyo mahal. Lalo na yung Raptor na ano niyan. So, ang brand niya is 2025 Ranger Raptor. Eliana. Nagmuryot na siya. Oh, close, open, close, open. Close, open, close, open, close, open. Close, open, close, open. Dali. Masambasa na yan. Kailangan maglaban ni mami kayong mga bib niya, guys. Wala. Nagamit namin lahat. So, ayun, nag-antay kami ngayon, guys. And we will show you later. Nagutom si Madam Ellie. Yan, tulog na. Pinadede ko na lang din dito, guys. Kasi nagtagal talaga kami, siguro 3 hours na kami nandito. Tulog na siya, kaluwi ang bata. After nito, uwi na rin kami, guys. May tinatapos lang sila, Travis, mga papers, ganun. Tapos tumawag siya sa insurance company namin. Para tawag nito, para idagdag sa insurance namin yung bago niyang sasakyan. Ito guys yung binili ni Travis. Ford Raptor. Ito yung kulay niya. So iuwi namin siya ngayong araw, pati yung truck na Chevy. Bago nila kunin yung Chevy kasi kailangan pantanggalin ni Travis yung mga ilaw. Yung mga accessories na nilagay niya. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
It's really good. It's really. I like the color too.
Yeah, I like the color.
I like the darker color versus the
lighter one in that they have it.
Yeah, I don't really
outside.
like the desert sand one. This is a nice looking one.
Yeah. Kasi hindi siya mapirme. Because you're not gonna step until you buy it. So.
No, I was just looking. Because we were thinking, the shelter green, but I kind of like this.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Hindi ko naman ang ginagawa nila. Oh, they're gonna put plate.
Yeah, just putting the plates on.
Yeah.
Those are my original.
You can put Ellie there. In the truck, in the new one. Because I have to drive the other one, right?
Yeah, you're good with driving it.
Okay.
Careful.
To put a front tag bracket on or to not put a front tag bracket on?
Dude. Do they have a? Are you talking about drilling into the bumper?
Yeah, I'm looking how they want us to do it here. They're usually marked. He asked me if I wanted to put the front bumper on. It usually gives. It might snap in here though. Let me see what they want.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? I think it's gonna go up here into this thing.
So, inaantay lang namin matapos, guys. And then, ida-drive ko yung truck. Ayoko talaga dinadrive yun kasi mataas. Tapos, alam mo yun, parang ang laki. Kaya gusto ko lagi yung CRV dinadrive tsaka yung Jeep. And then, ida-drive niya to. Tapos, pipick upin namin si Kevin. Kasi, tutulungan siya ni Kevin na tanggalin yung rooftop tent namin, yung bedrock, ganun. So, ayun. Tapos may pasok ako mamaya. Sabi ko, antayin ko na lang din siya. 3 hours kami nagstay dito, guys. So, happy si Travis sa kanyang purchase kasi matagal niya na daw itong gusto. Lagi yan nanonood ng mga video. Hindi yan titigil talaga pag di niya nabili. Tignan nyo guys yung interior. Oh, ang ganda. Red and black. Tignan natin sa likod. Ayan din, red and black. Ganda, Ellie! Gusto mo dito sumakay, babe? Gusto niya daw. Babe, she wanna ano here, right here.
You can go get the stuff out of the truck if you want.
Okay, bye, shave.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, naiuwi na ni Mister ang kanyang bagong truck. Ayan o. Oh. Naiuwi niya na. Pakita ko sa inyo yung harap. May tuwan-tuwa na namang asawa.
I don't know why they put these fake ones on. Silly. Nice.
So, ayun lang guys sa ating vlog for today. Super quick lang ang ating vlog today. So, kauwi na kami. Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Say bye, babe.
See ya.
Bye.